Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Back it up and check iOS so you can recover if needed. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Screen Time. This controls app visibility. If screen time is off, enable it and set a passcode you'll remember. Make sure you know the Apple ID tied to the device because you may be prompted later. Now, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable the toggle so you can restrict App Store access immediately. Next, walk through the restriction entries to remove App Store functionality. In iTunes and App Store purchases, choose Don't allow for installing and deleting apps and in-app purchases. This prevents new downloads. Then return to Allowed Apps and toggle App Store off so the icon and access disappear. If you prefer limiting content instead, set age ratings in content restrictions, which hides non-compliant apps. Make sure the screen time passcode remains set to prevent changes by other users. To finish, restart the iPhone and verify the App Store icon is no longer available. Restarting enforces the restriction. If the icon still appears, check for another screen time profile, family organizer settings, or a mobile device management profile that overrides restrictions. If you lose access accidentally, sign in with the controlling Apple ID or remove the screen time passcode to restore the App Store. One key
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.